Oh my goodness, this cabin is awesome.
It is so cute. Well, what you've seen so far, we haven't really walked it yet.
I might have while you were taking care of the dogs, but first thing we have to do is get Cal and Splinter situated here in our cabin because we just checked in and got here to Fort Wilderness.
Yay!
Hey, Splinter. Do you like your new cabin? All right, first things first. We have to put this on our door to let them know we have pups in the room.
We do!
We do. So that felt like moving day. We just unpacked our groceries, our snacks, the dogs.
And, you know, it is, let me check right now. It is 93 degrees, so it's toasty.
But it is nice. We have a parking space right here at our cabin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to show you the outside in a bit too. But the most important thing of this entire trip, other than your birthday, the dogs get goodie bags from Disney too. We have to check out what's in them.
Yeah.
Hey, Cal. Hey, Splinter. Where are you guys? Do you want to see what's in your Disney goodie bags? Do you want to see what's in the Disney goodie bag? All right, what's in these Disney goodie bags?
All right. It looks like we got a...
Oh, the room occupied, and it looks like a mat to put down for them too.
Oh.
We'll have to open that.
And we have... Oh, a little Disney bowl.
Oh. What's inside of it? That's a biscuit or something.
No, it's
it's a Disney dog tag.
Oh.
Here.
Nope. And
a Pluto poopy bag carrier.
oh.
We needed a new one for the leashes anyway.
Well, perfect.
And a whole bunch of paperwork.
Paperwork.
We'll have to see where the dogs are allowed to go and where they aren't allowed.
We do like rules and regulations.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, I do. Oh, they got Disney water.
Hey, Ed. You like the hotel room?
This is like the best I've ever seen because I love that we're so quiet and private.
It's so cool.
You can't hear anything around us. There's a deck.
I was just outside walking the dogs and you hear like the birds and insects and stuff. It's
really
I forgot we're in
special.
Florida and we forgot we're at Disney.
And I think especially, this is so weird, we're yelling. Especially because we live here with Disney, I think this is like a vacation within a vacation. It's really
Like
cool.
I actually feel like I'm on vacation right now, right up the street. But we should go check out the rest of the resort. I've never been in Fort Wilderness here other than to go to Trails End for stuffing my face, which we used to be good at too. They're closed right now with everything going on, but let's go check out the rest of the resort. I hear there's somewhere for us to take the dogs later maybe too, and maybe a movie tonight.
Oh, you hate movies.
I know, but it's under the stars at a Disney resort. Let's go see what's doing around Fort Wilderness right now.
All right. Before we can go anywhere though, you can get stuff and make s'mores because there's like a campfire and everything. So I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna get a marshmallow because how can you say no to a marshmallow? I mean, I can't.
I guess if your blood sugar's crashing, marshmallows work.
Yeah, they're really gonna sustain me for a long time.
And as locals, a tip that we can give you is Publix, our local supermarket, has Instacart. You can place an order online like we did for all of our stuff to barbecue and our regular groceries too. And then if you have a car, drive over and pick it up. They also do delivery. I don't know how the resorts are working with delivery right now.
I know they put that in as an option, and it may have said that we could do...
I believe we could have had groceries waiting for us. Anyway, there are options. And like I said, we have a grill right outside our deck here where we're going to cook tonight and tomorrow.
It's part of that cabin feel. It's Disney Imagineering. It's theming.
It's glamping.
Whatever.
It's so cute in here.
Look at it.
I almost feel like we need to get a golf cart too to like ride around like everybody else. But we have our car.
Where are we going?
The Meadow Trading Post?
I don't even know what that is.
But it's really pretty in here.
Yeah, look at all the moss.
Thank goodness they sell stuff here at the Trading Post to treat my worms. You know me, I had to get my pin. Oops, I mean not oops. There's something about this resort that always has us looking up. So we had a whole bunch of fun cooking and grilling planned, and I was ready to fire up the grill and make chicken. I had to run home for something quick, and on the way back up I said to Ed, all right, you want to start getting stuff ready to grill? Someone got hangry, and what'd you ask for? I said, meals are up to you for your birthday.
We have been restricting our calories and everything, and for some reason McDonald's is the only thing we can get, because there are restaurants on property here, but you need to get a golf cart.
There's no car parking at them, and we could use the resort shuttle bus, but we are trying to still avoid that. So I just went to the new McDonald's over by All Star Sports and Movies to grab drive-through. So bon appetit for your birthday, but we're grilling tomorrow.
Whatever, yeah.
For your real birthday, I think. Well, the day got away from us really fast. We had a quick dinner, but I am beat. I think it's time for us to head to bed. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to be notified where our next adventure might be. It could be as soon as tomorrow.
And click the bell icon to be notified when we get there.